Tag, you want a treat? What do you say? What? I'm not talking to you. What do you say? Amber, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Taggy. What do you say? Amber! Now be quiet. It's Taggy's turn. What do you say, Tag? Shh. What do you say, Taggy? Come on. What do you say? Amber! What do you say? Good boy. You are going to get it. Shh. Amber, do you want a treat? What do you say? What do you say? Good girl.